Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment discussions, investment ideas, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads like this and consistent content. So although it was announced that Tesla was joining the S&P 500, or it's officially been added on the 21st of December today. So a lot of people and investors believed that Tesla's share price was going to start falling prior to the official announcement on the 21st of December. But this has not been the case because Tesla's share price has just been seeing new highs. It just kept rallying up and rallying up, and this has actually caught a lot of short sellers by surprise because they've actually been anticipating the price drop and trying to cash in on the price drop. But over time, the number of short sellers have actually decreased, because they've been believing it's going to fall and then they'll get in, they'll start selling or shorting the stock, but the stock continues to rise. So they've actually been losing a lot of money by believing the stock is going to fall. All right, so what does this all mean for Tesla stock and share price? Is it going to continue rallying up, or is this the actual end of the rally, or is it going to dip for some time and then continue its rally, while the bulls gather more momentum to push the stock price even further? I believe Tesla stock is currently in a dip as it's gathering bullish momentum, and I believe the share price is going to rise to around 780. Alright guys, so here's the chart of Tesla. Alright, so on Friday the 18th of December session, alright, it opened high, and as you can see, some of the short sellers actually tried to get in this market and try to short this stock because they believe that the official announcement of Tesla being included in the S&P 500 on the 21st of December, today's session was going to be bearish, all right, and they believe that they were going to cash in on the crash of Tesla stock. But then the market on the 18th of December closed high, so this would have actually taken a lot of short sellers by surprise because the price kept rising, so they would have panicked and actually got out of the market because they would have got out at a loss, etc. And it's very uncertain right now. Nobody really knows where Tesla's price is going to go to. It's anybody's guess that it could go up to 1,000, etc. because this is one crazy move that it's made this whole year. Today's session, all right, is gapped down and it looks like it's closing bearish, but I wouldn't panic and start selling off Tesla shares, etc. Because it could have some steam left in it and it could actually continue going up to around 780, etc., or even up to 800. So one of the tools I'm going to use, because it's actually rallied up, so I want to see where, if this is a retracement, if this is a dip, etc., I want to see where it's going to retrace to. So one of the tools I'm going to use, or the tool I'm going to use, is a Fibonacci retracement tool. But before I go ahead and use the Fib tool, I can already see that there was a resistance formed and the gap down. Today's session on the 21st of December, it looks like the bears have pushed the price down to test this resistance, or what was a resistance but now a potential support. Okay, and it looks like it's actually holding or could hold as a support. So I'll be keeping an eye on this price 651, assuming that support wasn't here and the price was going to continue falling. Okay, so let's look at the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now the key levels, the 38%, the 50%, and the 61% levels. So these are key support levels, all right, that the price could retrace down to. Okay, by the looks of things, the price actually tested the 50%, and then since then the bulls moved the price and rose the price up to 695. Okay, so I believe if it's going to retrace, then it will retrace back down to the 38, which is very close to the support or the previous resistance of 651. The 38 line price is 635. Okay, so these are the prices I'm going to look for initially to see what's going to happen. Or by the looks of things, the support at 651 looks like it's going to hold. All right, so going forward, if the price actually stays above this 651, assuming the price comes down a little bit, all right, test this 651 again, and there's some bullish influence in the market around 651, then I would say this price could easily break the resistance at 695 and continue heading up north, heading likely up to 780. So if you enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads like this and consistent content as I'll continue following Tesla stock. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.